Yup, it's Teardown. I absolutely love this game. And we're back to do another episode. Where we left off is we got the blowtorch, I'm pretty sure. And we just finished the login devices, which were time missions. Great missions, by the way. I'm loving this game so far. Gordon Woo, he wants me to destroy cabins. To make more space, I guess. This is a new place. First of all, whoever did noise production in this game needs a raise. Wow, this map is gorgeous. So I know the cabins are this way because I just saw them. I'm drifting it. Oh! Okay. No, it's fine. Which one? This one we need to destroy. I see. Now, the boring way or the fun way? I think it's kind of an easy question. Just need to move a few things. Because I saw something over this way. It looks pretty interesting to me. And I'm going to go do something with it. Just quickly deal with this. You know. Oh. Oh. Oh! That was the easiest mission I've ever done. Wow. Oh! That was destructive. I never looked at what one of these looked like. Oh, this is nice. Are they all the same? Oh! $40 trophy. I'll take it. Oh, okay. I see how this is gonna go. Okay. Easy. Easy! Easy work. Now we just throw it this way, dude. This is the easiest mission I've ever done. I've only done 3 of them. Now there's an optional one on the other side. Honey, I'm home. What the heck? Wait! This is from that guy's factory. Hopefully I can go into the water here. If I can't, I'm going to be very disappointed. Oh yeah, I can blowtorch this. I can't go into the water. Mint. Oh, I can just do this. Get your stupid ass boat out of here. Oh, coming down hot and heavy. Oh, my chair's just chilling in here. Quickly do my demolition. Bro. Let's get out of here. Why don't we just walk away? Like nothing happened. So I got 3 out of 3 on this mission. Easy. Perfect. Give me a weapon. Give me something new. A new tool. And I'm fixing the roof again while it's raining. Oh, okay. Oh! Oh! Renovations? Look at that, we're burning coal. What's that? Why is it raining in here? Hold on. Okay. How do you... Can I not get in here? That... Oh. Wait, it's... What? I wanna go. I wanna go home. Oh, I shouldn't turn off the lights. What's that? $600 for a banana? Nah, I'm fine. I'll just get out of here. Easy. Next mission. Steal cars. I got 2 missions now. Back to the marina. Poor guy. What? Are we stealing cars? No way. This is gonna be sick. I have an idea. I can drive the boat here. Okay, I already have a plan in my head. Look, I'll come over here. I'll start the mission here. I'll steal this. I'll get in this speedboat, drive over here, get into that, or actually steal this, get into that car, drive it all the way over here and steal it, get onto this one, steal it, and leave. Plan already made. Already made. Oh, that's not good. Uh-oh, that's really not good. It's fine. It'll buff out. Uh-oh. Oh, excuse me. Alright. Open up. Oh, easy game. Easy game. Easy. Okay, this is clearly not going to plan. Oh. Oh, this is so easy. And whoever came up with this mission needs to find a better way to, like, make it harder. Because this is just too easy. This is just free. Okay, we go out here. Okay. Oh, we can, like, back up this way, too? Oh, I hit something. That's fine. Dude. So my plan is ready. Don't I have that Jeep over there still? It's already game time. Just like that. Oh, this boat is fast. Oh no, I wasted a lot of time now. Where is this? In this room? No! I actually planned that, apparently. No, I didn't plan that. Oh, no. Drift it. Yes, sir. 19 seconds. This is gonna be close. That's not correct. If it's in the way. Oh. Just put it in. Go! Go! Oh, dude. That was so close. Oh, I'm out picking corn. Out in all the way from 50. Still sleeping on medical equipment. Okay. What's next? GPS. GPS devices. Okay. Philip Gordon. Whoa! Okay. I'm excited now. What's the plan with this one? So there's one here. Oh, that's on a trailer, so I can... that's on a boat. So I have 2 of them right here. Right where I need them. Boho's boat. Oh, and there's this one. Alright. Not the best parking. It's fine. We're ready. I'm not even going to prep the building over there. We're just going to go for it. Quick save. Game time. Get in the vehicle and go. Oh, the thing is fast. Oh! The style points. Wall tap. Mint. Bust through the building. Uh oh. Is it this room? No, it's not. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. This is not good. I kind of messed up. I can't drive. This is not good. I might be able to save it. I might be able to save it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How much time do I have left? 2.4 seconds. Oh my goodness. Dude, we're cutting it close this episode. I see we still haven't done anything with my bed. But we're getting a lot done with the car. Alright. Can't move the TV yet? Okay. This chair is easily 10 times better than the other one. Wired alarm box is great. Dump at least 3 of Gordon's expensive vehicles in the water. Oh my! Where do I... Nah. He lives in a Walmart. He's gotta have some expensive stuff for me to steal. That's very high tension. No way. Dude, his fridge lights up. Hold on. Oh. Russian caviar, of course. $70 knives? That was probably a very expensive piece of art. Okay, he lives in his store. Good to know. And he has a fridge in his bathroom. I'm looking for expensive stuff right now. Oh, and a sauna. Who would have guessed? With a portable cassette tape player. Vacuum? Oh! Okay, no more bombs. What in the esports gaming community is going on here? Oh. Oh, and this is his bedroom. Anything under the bed? There's something under the bed. $25? All that for $25. Now I can't see. There's more this way? He has a club. So at this point in the video, I started destroying everything. I don't know why, and I kind of forgot about the mission. I just started destroying everything because that's just first instinct when it comes to a dumbass. So, enjoy. There's got to be something under one of these. There is. There's got to be more stuff in here. That's loud. I know what I gotta do. Oh, another valuable, okay. Gotta be something up here. You can't just tease me. Anything on the roof? Absolutely nothing. Okay, waste of time. Ooh, what if I do this? Hoo-hoo. Oh, okay. Oh. Breaking things is fun. Oh, what is this? Why? Oh. Okay, I need to stop breaking things. I need to focus on the mission. Getting new tires. Does that mean it doesn't have wheels? That's gonna be annoying to get. Okay. So I gotta move this one. This one here. There's two. I already see I can do this. So this one's in a garage. I assume. Yeah, it's a garage door. Yeah. So garage. I can take this one through here, all the way up around here, put it right here. Have this one just poking out of the garage as far as I can get it. And then I'll have, I know there's two vehicles down here because I just saw them. So I can dump that one in the ocean, grab a vehicle, go up here, dump that one in the ocean, that one, take a vehicle here, take that one, dump it in, that one, go out. I don't know if I'll have enough time. I'll try it. That didn't end well. I'll just take this. What a nice sports car. Wait, he has a racetrack at his house. That's pretty cool. Does this not have an alarm? Hold on. I know that lip is already going to cause me a problem. I'm just going to get rid of it. I have an idea. I just got these. I might as well use them what the game wanted me to use them for. And I can't. Okay. What if I just use the big semi-truck? gotta make your garages bigger, buddy. I'm giving him a sign. This is what he should do. You know, when he comes back home and all his stuff is destroyed and stolen and gone. This could be a sign. I don't know what that's gonna hold. Yeah, big diesel power, baby. Dude, you're off of... I spent about almost an hour trying to get this Jeep into the water. And most of the time, it's just me getting mad and... yeah. So, I'm gonna skip to the part where I actually get it into the water. So... just save you guys some time. Go away. Oh, I don't have any planks left. Screw it, I don't need that one then. Alright, so we got vehicle number 1. Ready. Stop. Oh, okay. Dorm. Okay. Perfect. Oh, wait, I need a way to get to the van. Ooh, I just thought of it. I'll drive the slower one, which is the older one. I'll drive that into there, drive the Lamborghini in there, drive the truck back. And then I'll take this, drive it all the way there. And then... That's not good. What? No way! And a new tool. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh. My heart is racing. I'm not even looking at the new tool yet. Wait, maybe it's something to destroy the chair with. Pipe bombs. Is my bed just chilling up here, dude? I'm at. Okay, new kitchen. My heart is actually racing from that, dude. Oh my goodness. How many did we get done? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4! 4 missions in a day and 2 new tools? 3 new tools. I think that's good. I think that's good for today's video. I love the storyline behind it. Like how it's just progressing. It's not random. It actually makes sense. Like I went and had break-ins at that guy's house and he suspected it was from this other guy, so he made me go get him, and then he knew it was the other guy, so I had to go get him. I don't really know what I'm saying. But anyways, thanks for watching if you made it to this point. I had a blast recording this. This is like one of my most favorite games to record. I'm having so much fun. I hope to make another video on this soon, and I'll see y'all later. I'm a see ya.